at this point, heading into overnight, heading into tomorrow, pretty much the existing zones are going to continue to be in play. Today was a very balanced session, not a whole lot took place, but bigger picture, how the market responds to 77 to 80 is really going to help set the tone. And on the downside, the 65.5 to 68 is going to be important support that marks the bottom of the current 3-week balance area. So if we start breaking below 65.5 to 68, then it does mark a balance breakdown. And buyers can still be active on first test of 59 to 61, but bigger picture, the question that we're trying to answer right now is whether that recent double top around the 91 area is going to really stick, whether it's a legitimate topping pattern or are the buyers still going to jump in. How ES responds to 77 to 80 is going to help us answer that question. If on the upside we put in a breakout through 77 to 80, then that would be a signal that buyers are still very much active and aggressive in this market, and that would bring the 85 quarter to 86 area into play. 87, 88 even would be in play at that point. But right now, the market is at a interesting inflection point here, where we're trying to determine whether there's still going to be follow through to new highs or whether the double top at 91 is now going to stick. So the answer to that question has larger time frame implications. And because of that, there could be some better opportunities setting up for us here over the next several days. So I know we've been in a pretty low volatility, low volume environment, but the way the markets are starting to set up now, I think that that will change in the near future, especially if we break down. If we break out, then it may not be as good. But if we break down and we put in a balanced breakdown, that would certainly cause a spike in volatility and increase the participation and the volume in the market. And of course, that will result in better opportunities for us on the day time frame. So that's how the market is shaping up right now. Tomorrow we'll be watching the talk from Yellen and see if the market responds to that. But the market is at a interesting inflection point here. So let's see how it responds tomorrow to 65.5, 68, 77, 79.5 to 80. How it responds to either of those zones is going to be very telling.